All right, everyone, this one's if you're having trouble finding those animated GIF pictures online. So for example, let's say we want to do a St. Patrick's Day, one of these throwing activities. Again, you want to try to find those pictures that have that checkered background. So you always want to make sure that in your search bar it says transparent and the name of whatever you want, and then GIF. GIF just means it's kind of like a movement. You don't have to do that. Those ones are typically tougher to find. But I found a good one here, and I'm just going to show you what it needs to look like in the PowerPoint for it to work for you. So when you click on it, you want to make sure you go copy paste. It'll show up in the corner there, and it might not be moving right away, but when you add it to when you play your current slide, it'll be moving in there, and there's no white in the background. But I'm going to show you what some issues you might have in this. So let's just say we look up leprechaun GIF, and you'll see that some of these it might have a clear background at once, and now that one's probably a good one. But some of these might have a clear background, for example, like this one. But when I add it to the PowerPoint, you're going to see that it has that white background. And when it's in there, yeah, it's moving around, but that white background makes it look, not as clean. So if that's something for you, that's just a really easy way to find those correct transparent GIFs.